Hey guys, today is 4th of March 2026. Officially, new month has started, and this is my first video of this month. And right now it's 7:48 p.m. 60 days are left for it, and I know I haven't been updating lately. It's just that I was caught up with some personal issues, and also I had some backlogs for in series, so I was completing those, and my sleeping schedule was totally freaked up. Okay, and it was just like I was sleeping at 6, waking up at 12, or or maybe 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. So it was pretty much like very freaked up. So yeah, I didn't record any videos. I thought of posting like making vlogs or something, but I didn't. And yeah, guess what, I finished my 11th biology. Like, I revised my complete 11th biology today, and today I woke up kind of, earlier, like earlier than I usually wake up, which was around like 10 p.m. Okay. I know, but yeah. And today was pretty good, and I hope that you guys are taking care of yourselves. And we are 4 subscribers away from 100. So I'm pretty much excited, and I also saw that my last video kind of reached so many baddies out there. Thank you for the compliments, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and preparing really great. um I'm checking again that my mic is on or not. So yeah, tomorrow I think I'm gonna complete 12th, biology, and I'm gonna be done with biology by next 2 3 days. And I think physics is gonna be the next, series in Umi series. I was seeing the like calendar. Sorry, my mom is coming up with. I'm back. My mom gave me something to eat. Anyways, so yeah, it was pretty much a great day. And even though I have been struggling with so many personal issues like last 2 3 days, it's like since yesterday I'm still kind of happy, but I don't know why. It's maybe because I have been productive and studying. Like about like 2 3 days ago, I was just really, you know going to that spiral again, negative spiral, and I was just like playing Roblox, the whole day, and I just sat studying at 5 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, my schedule was pretty much really bad. But hey, I got back on track. Okay, I got back on track. So many people on my Discord were like texting me that, "Girlie, what are you doing? You should study while playing Roblox the whole day." I'm like, please just let me be for once. But anyways, and also I thought something, which is that I also started preparing for CVT. I think that's gonna be my second option, and I'm pretty much confident that I will get COT, like any college in COT. So yeah, there's that. I thought to share it to you guys, so that you guys also should know that what backup options I have. Other than that, I don't have any options. Okay, I don't have, like, you know any other option other than that. Like, I either it's NEET, which I have to clear, by the way. Otherwise, I will be okay. Like, all you know my parents will be done with me for real. But anyways, or if not that, then you know it will be CUT. Yeah, there is that. And yeah, I I'm not gonna say anything that I'm gonna record vlogs from tomorrow, because every time I say this, I like something happens and I am not able to, start recording my vlogs. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to wake up on time tomorrow, like probably 6 or 7 a.m. because I gotta go like start running again, because otherwise my sleeping schedule is getting pretty much really bad. So yeah, there is that. I'll do that. And yeah, keep practicing MCQs, keep revising, because revising is the only way. You don't have to, run around for, like, you know like you shouldn't have that FOMO of studying everything right now. Okay, right now you just need to study the high yielding topics and the chapters, and just keep on revising. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything else. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys are doing great. And yeah, let's see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow when I make a video, it's 100 subscribers. And I'm really, really grateful that so many people have been like serving me, which is really unexpected. And yeah, I will try to make you guys proud. I'll try to make myself proud and my parents proud. I'm not saying that cracking NEET will make them proud, achieving something overall in the whole life, like in the long term. So yeah, please don't worry about this exam itself, because one paper literally cannot decide your future. Like I have seen so many of my classmates, like they really scored didn't great in their academics, okay, in the boards or academics or whatever. And some of them are in such a good place right now, and they have started earning. And I'm really glad that they had done something of themselves, which is really, really, you know different, and what is like different than what people do usually. And they like people say these days, breaking up the like matrix. So yeah, so one paper doesn't really um like makes your future or something like that. Enough of talking. It's been 6 minutes of the video, and I should go, and I should just probably study again. And yeah, I really hope you guys taking care of yourselves, because that's what's most important. Because in this process of whole competitive exam thingy, um, we forget who we are. We have this identity crisis, which I personally have been facing these days. Like the hobbies which I used to have before, I've completely forgot those. Like maybe how to, you know, like related to my dance, classical dances, a classical singer or whatever, and also like drawing and stuff like that. I wish I used to do beforehand. Okay, I'm forgetting those like skills, which it really feels bad that those used to be literally my essential. I mean, those used to be the essential part of my identity, and I'm losing them gradually. So I'm just like, okay, I have to get through this exam, and then I'll just get into those again. So be excited about getting into new things after your like exam, and just not stress about it. Think about like you know, be in delusion. Okay, the best suggestion which I can give you right now is be in delusion. Yeah, that's just be in delusion and be like, okay, I have got only 60 days left. Yeah, I can still get a medical college. And I really feel like that rather than being worrying about the reality right now, and not studying at all, is really worse than at least being delulu and just keep on studying with that motivation. I really feel like it. Like at least you will reach somewhere if you study, right? So nothing goes to waste, no hard work goes to waste. So yeah, there is that. I really hope that you know you guys have watched today's like full video, so that you might feel kind of pumped up. And yeah, thank you for the people who have stick with me. Yeah, because I was feeling really low since I told you guys before, and they were really helping me out, emotionally, by by just being like just existing in my life, like made my life easier, I feel. So yeah, I don't know what I'm speaking, because I'm with my earphones on. I am listening to songs and I'm speaking, so I don't know what I'm speaking. I don't know how do I sound. So yeah. Uh, anyways, so that was it for today. I really hope you guys stay healthy, work hard, free Delulu, work harder. That's it. Bye.